In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the report generating features in QuickBooks Online, ensuring you can customize and share reports effectively for your business needs. Let's begin by visiting QuickBooks Online and logging into your account. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself greeted by the familiar interface. Now, head over to the left side menu and click on Reports. This section is a treasure trove of insights, and it's where the magic truly begins when it comes to dissecting your financial data. In the Reports section, you'll notice an option to view standard reports. This is where QuickBooks stores its array of prefabricated reports, so give that a click. Don't be intimidated by the number of reports available. You can either scroll through them or use the search bar to pinpoint the exact report you're interested in. Once you've located your desired report, it's time to set the report period. This is crucial as it defines the time frame of data you wish to examine. After setting the from and to dates, make sure the data aligns with the specific period you need to analyze or present. With the time frame selected, let's move on to customizing how your data is displayed. By clicking on Display Columns By, you can organize your columns to fit your personal preference or the needs of your report. Additionally, if you want to keep your report tidy, feel free to select Show Non-Zero or Active Only, which filters out inactive or zero balance rows and columns. If comparing financial periods is critical for your analysis, QuickBooks offers the ability to compare your reports across multiple time periods. Simply click on Compare Another Period to see a side-by-side comparison of financial data. One more element to consider is your accounting method. QuickBooks allows you to toggle between cash and accrual accounting methods, which can significantly impact how your financial data appears. After tailoring your report to perfection, you can click on Run Report to generate the finalized version. To ensure you don't lose these customizations for future use, click on Save Customization. Here, you'll have the opportunity to enter a custom name for the report and, if needed, assign it to a specific group in your account. Now that the report is customized and named, it's time to share. Click on Share With and decide between sharing with all users in your account, none for privacy, or a specific person if you've added team members. Don't forget to hit Save after making these configurations. Unfortunately, in this session, my account doesn't have additional users added, but if yours does, you can easily share it with them. And that wraps up our guide on generating, customizing, and sharing reports in QuickBooks Online. Hopefully, this will make your accounting tasks more straightforward and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.